There's issues in businesses, typically traditional engineering manufacturing businesses, whereby they need to make the next step. Now that could be a company that employs 2, 3, 4 people. It could be a company that employs several hundred, or of course up to our tier ones, our OEMs, our major manufacturers who maybe employ thousands. And to be brutally honest, and you'll hear this in our first session this afternoon, that can be a common problem. How do you make that next step? One of the other issues that we have from an organisational point of view is communicating the importance of innovation, digital, robots, cobots, all of these things to more traditional engineering businesses, because of course many are by nature traditional, so therefore when it comes to actually manufacturing processes they may be slightly reticent to change a method that they've used. There's always a fear, isn't there? Anything new that you bring into your business, there's a fear that it could detrimentally affect what you do and not make the incremental improvements that we want to see. And that's really the reason behind this. What we want to do is bring some case studies along the day where those incremental changes have been seen in our region, and hopefully give you the opportunity to see the art of possible, really, to just see how those changes can be made, to learn from businesses that have made them, because of course it's very easy to throw this open and say, if you supply these wonderful digital services, come along and sell to us. Well, of course, and I know, without disrespect, there are some suppliers in the room, but the reality is the best way to learn is for someone who's been through the process. Warts and all, we can share the successes, the failures. Of course, we could have implemented something that maybe didn't work. Maybe we implemented something that perhaps wasn't the answer to the question simply because we didn't really understand what the question was. We didn't drill down into the problem to start with. So, like I say, we're here with our sponsors Business Durham, who work every single day with engineering, manufacturing and other sectors as well, of course, to support them in part of their digital journey. They of course have Digital Drive, which I'm sure is a process or an initiative that many of the businesses here have engaged with.